Good afternoon, students. This is our class 8 lesson, congruence of triangles. In last video also, we have seen how the 6 factors will be curtailed to 3 only by different test of congruence. So I have written first test, that is SAS. 2 sides and the included angle, means angle will be in between. Now second is side. Here 3 sides. Three sides of both the triangles. With corresponding side of one triangle with the corresponding sides of another. So here we have to see the 3 factors, that is only of side. Now third is, it starts from angle ASA test, that is two angles and a side included. A side included. Included means between those two angles, a side is there, that is called side included. And now next is here also two factors, that means two angles and side or adjacent to it. Side will be adjacent to the angle, this angle, or SAA. Again, it can be first side and then adjacent to it the both the angles. So we can write down two angles and the side adjacent to it. Two angles and a side adjacent to one of them. To one of them. And last is hypotenuse side test. This is for right angle triangle. For any right angle triangle. Now what do you mean by hypotenuse in right angle triangle? Wherever right angle is there, opposite side to that right angle is called as hypotenuse. So in two triangles which are right angle, when hypotenuse is equal or congruent and one side remaining from the two sides, one side is congruent, then this test allows you to do congruence for those right angle triangles. Now these are the tests. Let us revise. Side angle side, two sides and an angle included, side, that is three sides of both the triangles, We see here. Then ASA is two angles and the side is included in between those two. Then AAS means two angles and adjacent side to it, or the side. In this sequence also you can follow side and adjacent to that both the angles. And last one is hypotenuse side test. Now let us see some examples how to solve using this test of congruence. Now here some figures are given and we want to check by which test the two triangles are congruent. So we are solving now practice set 13.1. Practice set 13.1. Now here in each pair of triangles, in the following figures, parts bearing identical marks are congruent. State the test and correspondence of vertices by which triangles in each pair are congruent. Now before that, here the word identical marks are given. Now what do you mean? Identical marks for sides. See now first figure. Is like this. Here W is there, this vertex, this is X and this is Y. Now identical marks for these sides are given. XW like this and this. So these are the congruent sides and here it is Z. Now state the test and angle for angle this mark is given. Identical mark, that means this angle XWZ is congruent to YWZ and this side XW is congruent to YW. So we will write down that is side angle and this side WZ is common to both the triangles. So we have to see the triangle XWZ and second one is YWZ. So here answer we have to write the test. So side angle and this side angle side by this test this is congruent. And for correspondence we have to write the point neatly, that is XWZ. It will write XWZ will be corresponding to, instead of X in this triangle it is Y and then W. This is common point, common vertex for both the triangles, and last is Z. So like this we have to solve. We have used the SAS test of congruence and correspondence of vertices. Now second question. It was first one. Second is given as like this figure. Both the triangles are adjoining, means in one figure only. Here the right angle is formed and these sides are congruent. These are the identical marks shown. Let us write down the point K, then point I and point N. So in this figure, if we will see that this in this triangle KI, sorry, here it is J. If I say that KJI, then we will say LJI. Now, if we will see these two triangles, KI is congruent to LI. These sides are congruent. Okay. Middle side, that is JI, which is common to both. That means side is there. One side is given. And here these angles are right angles. So you know that hypotenuse side. Hypotenuse means opposite to this. Opposite to right angle, that is a hypotenuse, that is Ki, here Li, and side, one side is common means this is congruent. So we can say that these triangles are hypotenuse is congruent. So hypotenuse side test, by this test both the triangles are congruent. Hypotenuse, because hypotenuse are given equal and one side is this, which is common. So now let us write like this. What is the correspondence in the vertices? So if I will start from this K, J, I, it is corresponding to the points are like this, L, then J and I. L, J, I. So this is second one. Now we will do third one. For third one, the figure is like this. Okay, and these two triangles which are shown with this vertices HE, this is F, this is G. Now here identical marks are shown like this. This side of this triangle is congruent to this side and this side is congruent to this side. Now if we will see here two sides and one side, that is EG or GE, that is common to both the triangles. So by SSS test of congruence, these two triangles are congruent. Now let us write the correspondence of vertices. Now if we will start from H, here in this triangle, its name will be HEG. Will be corresponding to, instead of H we will write F, but now HE is congruent to FG. So we will write down FG first, FG, and remaining is E. So this is the correspondence between the vertices which is asked in your question. Question was like that: state the test and correspondence of vertices by which triangles in each pair are congruent. Now again we can do one more example. That is fourth one. Here the triangles are like this. One and then another one is like this. So here this is S, M, this triangle, and A. Now in both all first three questions, the triangles were in the same figure. Here, two triangles are of different figures. Now SMA, here it is OPT, OPT, and here this SM is congruent to OP this side. Then this angle S is congruent to, identical marks are shown. So you have to see that which angle is congruent to which. Angle S is congruent to angle O here, and angle M is congruent to angle E. So now here, angle side angle test. Angle side angle means this angle, then side, and then angle. So two angles included by one side, that is ASA, test of congruence. These are congruent. Now we have to write the correspondence of vertices. So we will start from S here, SMA, then it is corresponding to, instead of S I will write this O, and then this line, this side, that is, instead of SM it will be OP, and last point is here, it was A, it is here T. So by SAS test, these two triangles are congruent, and this is the correspondence of vertices. So likewise, we will see some more examples in next class. Okay.